some of the things that was promised when he met yesterday?
I think he said, let the status quo remain. That is, those who have been wearing hijab before, the schools where they wear hijab, let them wear hijab. The school where they have not been wearing hijab before, please don't impose it on them. And that is when you will see that it's not the government himself causing this problem. It's just some of the people who want to make that place ungovernable.
So what you're saying is that before the government intervened, some of those who were implementing it were trying to extend or make other people who were not initially wearing hijab to wear hijab.
To wear hijab. Schools where they never wear hijab before to wear hijab, which is not helpful.
But now the governor has intervened and he says
he's a wonderful governor. He's moving forward,
and everybody's happy with that.
He did that yesterday. I heard that, and I'm impressed. If you can, so I'm only saying that he should carry it out to later. It must not just be a mere word, but it must be carried out to later. And other places like that, when he does that, it has happened similarly during the time of Governor Bisakade. Okay.
So having said that, there will be peace in that area now.
I believe that God is the author of peace. He will never leave his people alone. 2, we are concerned about the well-being and peaceful coexistence of the innocent students, children we have come to learn, because their future is very, very important. When you talk of education, education has to do with development of people.